I'm sending who is appearing for the state in this matter?
The matter, Manoj, there is some element of seriousness, Manoj.
Who is appearing for the state?
Sir, I am appearing for the state. By Learned Advocate General.
Second,
Is it-
police excess.
Let this go to the division bench, sir.
No, primarily, essentially, Manoj, it is against Manoj, the Bidhannagar Police
I'm
Commissioner.
sending who is appearing for the state in this matter?
The matter, Manoj, there is some element of seriousness, Manoj.
Who is appearing for the state?
Sir, I am appearing for the state. Lead by Learned Advocate General.
Second,
Is it-
police excess.
Let this go to the division bench, sir.
No, primarily, essentially, Manoj, it is against Manoj, the Bidhannagar Police Commissioner. What they have done. This stems from
Whatever it is, let this go to the division bench, sir.
Manoj, the difficulty is, Manoj, we are being hounded. Manoj, what happened, I'll tell your lordship. Now, Manoj, the petitioners are the widows of the victims
This matter.
who, Manoj, were victims of, Manoj, an unfortunate incident of rioting, Manoj, in Murshidabad.
Right now, nothing is there, sir.
No, Manoj, the police has been hounding us, Manoj. We, out of our own volition, Manoj, we came to the Honorable High Court, Manoj. We came to Calcutta for filing a petition before the Honorable High Court. Manoj, the police, we were camping at Salt Lake. Manoj, they broke open the doors. We were, Manoj, harassed. We were heckled. There were abuses, Manoj, which were heard. Now, around 40 police personnel, Manoj. And, Manoj, thereafter, Manoj, the learned advocates reached the location, Manoj. They rushed to the spot because the petitioners therein, they said that,
Mr. Bhattacharya ji, this stems out of the Murshidabad incident.
but I understand. No,
My lord, if I may be allowed to make some submissions, my lord.
predicament, Manoj, is,
You are
Manoj,
who?
I am for an intervener on the basis. Well,
the predicament is, Manoj, the police finally, Manoj, on being cornered, they said that no, there is some
Respondent, I'm
information regarding
asking for
kidnapping on the basis
respondent.
whereof we have come to.
Nothing is there before me.
But it is everything has been narrated in the
It's only on averments, then I have got to ask for affidavits from them.
There
No,
are video recordings, Manoj. There are video recordings. The police has also
You don't have any interim order, you don't require.
my lord, there is an interim order required.
no interim order, my lord. If my lord is desirous, my lord, to place it before the honorable division bench.
I'm
my lord.
desirous of
First
that
is,
only.
first is, my lord, we as individuals, my lord, will, my lord, lose our right, my lord, to prefer any appeal, my lord. In the case we are aggrieved, we are not, my lord, we are very poor people, my lord. We have lost our husbands, my lord. We are not as rich as
I
the
have-
state, my lord, that we can
I have,
go to any
I have,
my lord.
no, this is not, I have full sympathy. Earlier, all Murshidabad matters which have stemmed out of violence of a different character, which is ordinary
Bow
not
down
them.
to that, my lord.
Even for permission of the leader of the opposition, I have referred the matter to the division bench. Division bench is in thick and thin of the local incidents which are happening. The police reports, but whatever is there, that's why I want the division bench to consider the same.
Stems out of a kidnapping case. That is what is
Where is the kidnapping case?
My lord, that is where I, lordship, I want to make some submissions if Mr. Bhattacharya permits me and my lord permits me.
Who are you?
Lordship, I am the purported complainant of that kidnapping complaint. Who is present in court? The petitioner, the intervener is present in court. He has not. He has been forced to sign on certain papers on the basis of which that kidnapping case was purportedly lodged. Lordship, there is some protection. There is some protection at least required for my client.
I am releasing it.
No, my lord, for the moment, my lord, till the matter is taken up by the honorable division bench, my lord. My lord, kindly, my lord, protect us, my lord.
If I am not taking up the
No, my
matter,
lord is releasing the matter, my lord.
Huh.
Because, my lord, no, the assignment is not automatic, my lord. Because in the other cases also, my lord, we had to play. My lord,
if Honorable Chief Justice reassigns the matter, I'll
15th is
hear.
the date fix. My lord, kindly appreciate. 15th of May is the date fix, my lord, before the honorable division bench, my lord. Because that is not a regular division bench, my lord. My lord, it will be next sitting, my lord, assembling on the 15th of May, my lord. Till then, my lord, the police should not harass us, my lord. My lord,
That will be an order.
the prayer E, my lord. Or, my lord, let there be an assurance from the, my lord, from the state, my lord. My esteemed senior friend, my lord, the
I should
not
know.
there, my lord.
Had I entered into the zone of merits, I would have definitely.
This, first of all, my lord, my lord, for the my lord, sake of repetition, my lord, this is not
Dekhiye.
pertaining to Murshidabad. This is against police excess, my lord. The police attempted, my lord, to kidnap us, to abduct us, my lord, without any
On
authority
the
of.
basis of a false
The
kidnapping
final
complaint.
prayer would be to transfer it to CBI, na?
But if my lord finds, my lord, that
My lord, at least for the intervening
I
period,
have
some
got
protection.
to
my lord.
have every total circumstances in mind. Division bench is in scene of everything, sir. Go over there.
my son is being represented by Mr. Das, my lord. My son.
My lord, some protection has to be given.
Government, my lord,
He has been hounded for 3 days by the police officers. The police today also has yesterday has made tweets
Achha,
giving
since,
open threats.
Since the honorable division bench is insisting of the issues arising out of the incidents of Murshidabad, and the present petitioners are victim of incidents of violence at Murshidabad as has been submitted aid by the Learned Senior Advocate,
we are against the police excess, my lord. The police atrocity.
as has been submitted
Of
aid
Bidhannagar police,
as has been
commissioner.
submitted aid by the Learned Senior Advocate appearing on behalf of the petitioners. Petitioner is presently aggrieved by the act and actions of the Bidhannagar Police Commissioner. Next, having considered that the Honorable Division Bench is in of the issues stemming out of Division Bench is in of the issues relating to the litigations relating to police administration and or further prayers made therein in the litigations before in the say public interest litigations and several other repetition. I am of the view that let the repetition be released from the list, records be placed before the Honorable Chief Justice for appropriate assignment.
My lord, one submission only. My lord, at least under recording of submission of the learned advocate general, the advocate general, learned advocate general has not even opened his mouth. Sir, submission ko sir, ektukani please.
Let's go.
Sir, please. Sir. My lord,
This is
my lord,
regularly I'm facing. This is the culture which has developed. The culture.
I apologize. I tender my sincerest apologies, my lord.
It's not over.
Difficulty now is that lawyers are alienated to all political parties. Their source of power is outside the court, and they are behaving accordingly within this court.
I-
All respect, I'm not mentioning one political party, all political parties.
Has happened from today morning. Lawyers are not on air in regard to this matter.
My lord, I did not mean any disrespect.
With the litigants in this matter. And see, my lord, where we are taking our profession. We are supposed to belong to a noble profession.
I've told you. Lawyers have aligned themselves with all the irrespective of any political party, sir. And since their source of power are those political leaders, they are showing their heat before the court.
I apologize.
They are the outcome of a litigation.
But I take it upon myself. We are to blame. We have not been this people.
I apologize once more.
Our profession has gone.
There were earlier lawyers also who were alienated to political parties. I have seen them. But Mr. Bikash Bhattacharya doesn't behave like that. I've seen his behavior in court. I've seen Mr. Bolai Chandorai. He was also.
Of course. So no.
Think about the discipline grammar of Mr. Siddhartha Shankar.
Observing the classical aspect of this particular fraternity is the
Yes,
greatest
we are to
responsibility of
blame.
all of us. That is what I feel.
Yes,
I feel it is on the
I
first decade.
blame myself for this.
This is the first decade.
I blame myself for this. We don't find juniors stand up when the seniors are standing beside them. Because they are not going to be seniors chambers.
This has become common now after this
My lord, I am responsible for the. I apologize.
Nowadays, juniors don't call themselves as juniors. They call themselves as associates. This is where we have dragged our profession.
Very unfortunate.
We were always
I
taught
find people because while arguing matter, when a phone call comes, they go down below the bench and they attend calls. And after the court, find lawyers running towards the cameras. This is when we have lost our profession.
You cannot behave. There must be some behavior, some court crafty. Why do you say?
Any unfortunate incident, your lordship will find members of our fraternity over there. Whether it is Hamshakar, whether it is Sandesh Khali, wherever.
that is on a different aspect. Being public spirited, that is on a different aspect. We are on maintaining, we are on preserving and protecting the integrity and classicalness of this
I apologize. I apologize.
You should not go down to the streets. Litigants must come to the lawyers. Lawyers will not go to the litigants. Is it our profession that
This I will not
go to
allow in
litigants?
court that because you are alienated to a political leader,
Doesn't mean that you are going to come here and shout.
then we won't be able to run the institution. As simple as that. Every case has an outcome.
Definitely,
Somebody must aggrieved. You go to the appeal court.
definitely. This is
No
the
issues.
hierarchy which has been created. for this.
As we have learned, my lord, once we don these robes, my lord, these black robes, it is about everyone being equal, my lord, rising above individual political affiliation. My lord. That is how it was supposed to be. That is the concept of this holy robe. But most of us, my lord, do not even realize that or keep on forgetting that.
To accept a verdict of a court or an opinion of a court.
I am here to make my submissions. I will try my heart and soul to make my submissions.
Definitely, that's
on
a
the
different
questions
aspect.
of law. Thereafter, my lord, whatever the
On fact
decision-
also you should make. I have got nothing to
No,
say.
thereafter, my lord, whatever the decision is, my lord, there are other forums available. We should never identify ourselves with our clients, my lord. And this is applicable to everyone, my lord. To everyone, all the lawyers.
I wish the members of my profession remembers this.
And the more we remember this, my lord, the better it is for the fraternity.
Profession, that will carry on.
Better it is for the fraternity.
Good to accept
We
that.
cannot, my lord, recollect the times when we joined. Way after, my lord, Mr. Dotto, my lord, I have learned a lot from him also, my lord. My lord, the
He
gharana was
hardly
completely
loses his.
different.
I have seen hardly he loses his temperament.
He
No, I have not lost yet.
No, I hardly. loses his temper.
But whenever he loses it, my lord, that is not out of tension, my lord. That is, my lord,
Professional.
pretension.
Right,
That is
chalo.
pretension.
Agree.
Great, good, your lord.
Then list new motion item number 3.